कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भो मा ते संगोऽस्त्वविकर्मणि.
A challenge is a goal. A promise to progress beyond mere achievement. A state of mind where impossible is just another word. Because there are those who dare and make a difference. They are the Challengers. The Challenger was late Shri O.P. Jindal, who transformed his humble beginning into an $8 billion phenomenon called the O.P. Jindal Group. The legacy became grander with the spirit of the group under the leadership of Mr. Sajjan Jindal, who added JSW, a $3.7 billion conglomerate, to the strength of the O.P. Jindal Group. Today, JSW has become a dominant player in the steel sector with its strong production capacity of 7.8 million tons per annum with the implementation of its fast-track project, Cheetah. JSW has an army of challengers, the steely resolve of thousands of individuals who believe that they can and will win. The DNA of an organization is tested not by its growth potential in good times, but its strength to seamlessly sustain through unprecedented downturns that threaten its very survival. History was written in the Indian steel industry on February 18, 2009, when JSW challenged the adversities with the commissioning of the largest blast furnace.
Actually challenged the whole system. When we saw on one side the worldwide people were cutting back on capacity, they were not able to sell what they were producing, and here we were restarting our shutdown blast furnace in January. In February we commissioned our India's largest blast furnace, which will add 2.8 million tons of new steel.
The writing on the wall was impossible. We read it as I am possible. When the global financial markets dried, we emerged more liquid.
We expect next year where the GDP growth, which is estimated to be worst case 4.5% by IMF and the most positive case around 7 to 8%. So this will be in the range of 5 to 8% as far as the increase in the steel consumption in India for next year. JSW Steel, where increasing the volumes, I think is better positioned to take this opportunity.
JSW's R&D team is constantly involved in a number of innovations and improvements to push itself to raise the global benchmark.
We changed in this time was the focus towards the marketing. What we did is that we switched from the export-led. We normally, our blend used to be 40% export and 60% domestic market. And this year going forward, the business plan is to reduce our export dependence to 13%. And we will increase our domestic sales to 87%. We made a special effort to push our products into the rural and semi-urban markets.
In a resilient drive to succeed across multiple nations, product expansions and multi-region operations, JSW has broken all the barriers. JSW is constant with change and not only overcomes the challenges but excels and leads naturally. But with great success comes great social responsibility.
No effort, be it industrial or otherwise, is sustainable unless it takes the needs of society into consideration. We cherish people. Our area of focus are education, livelihood and empowerment, health, sports, conservation and environment.
I'm trying to position JSW to create India of the future.
JSW, Josh of a billion dreams.